on the average, both of them behave like log n. So on the average, any number has about log n prime factors. It doesn't matter whether you count it with multiplicity or whether you count it distinctly, the average is still log n. Which means, what it says is, for most numbers, most of the prime factors don't repeat. That's what it means. If you take a typical number, not 12, a typical number near infinity, it will have some prime factors that repeat, but most prime factors will not repeat. That's why the average is about the same. Okay. Right. Now we come to a discussion of the average. An average, so what is the average height of all of you? I can take everybody's height and divide. So the average gives you some idea about the state of affairs, but does it give you an accurate idea? So if you say a cricket player average score is 50, does it mean he is all the time scoring somewhere in the middle and he is reliable, he'll score 40, 60, or will he score a duck in the first innings and 100 in the second innings? Is he reliable? So is the average the most commonly occurring value, or is it a large value that occurs sporadically still can influence the average? What is the average? So Hardy and Ramanujan introduced the concept of what is called normal order. I won't get into the definition here. The normal order is, so to speak, a most commonly occurring value, asymptotically. Okay, so what Hardy and Ramanujan showed was that the normal order is also log n, which is remarkable. So here is a number theoretic quantity where the average is actually the true state of affairs. Most numbers have about log n prime factors, plus or minus 1, multiplied by 1 plus minus epsilon, but in that range. So in this case, the average is actually log n. So this is the fundamental paper, one of the fundamental papers that Hardy and Ramanujan wrote, which appeared in the London Mathematical Society. So this was 1917. This was the work of Hardy and Ramanujan. So in my papers, I often write, it is indeed strange that even though the prime numbers have been discussed since Greek antiquity, the first systematic discussion of the number of prime factors is a 20th century phenomenon. Right. And that's due to Hardy and Ramanujan.